here, coming back to you with another video. So this time I'm going to talk all about spiritual baths. Spiritual baths have been so big for me this year. I started doing them right before quarantine and it has changed my life significantly. It really helps mold my affirmations, and it additionally really gives me the sense of just feeling calm and self-assured. Like I said, I started doing this during quarantine. I read about it, and I watched a few YouTubers do them, and I started doing them myself. And it seems like ever since I started doing this, my life has changed around. Like, I'm so serious. I do these spiritual baths like once a week, typically on a Friday, and I just let myself unwind, really relax my mind, and set my affirmations to the universe. I really just want to share this with you all because I really believe it makes a huge difference, and I'm hoping that it'll make a huge difference in your life. I'm just going to go over everything I do within these spiritual baths, and also go over how they can help change your life as well. So continue to watch the video and stay tuned to see how you can begin your spiritual journey with doing your spiritual baths.
So, first things first, you may be asking, what even is a spiritual bath? A spiritual bath is almost like a ritual, much like the ritual baths of ancient Rome. They actually cleanses your chakra, it revitalizes your aura, and leaves you feeling more present in an extremely positive state of mind. The spiritual regeneration occurs more merely from the comfort of soaking in the warm water, but from energies imparted by the powerful oils, herbs, or crystals you have added to the bath water. What I found is that spiritual baths can be renewing, self-realizing, shedding away of old things, brings new things in, its dedications, and so forth. Everybody does theirs different. My way does not equal the standard. Today I'm just going to show you what works for me and what I use in my particular spiritual bath. So let's go ahead and begin, and I'll show you step by step what I use and why. So the first thing that I use is the Little Moon Essentials Aromatherapeutic Passion Bath Salts. I use this to manifest love and passion into my life. Additionally, it is Epsom salt, so it easily absorbs into the body and helps detoxify and cleanse me. The next thing that I use is the fresh Jasmine Incense. I take that and I burn those. This is here to help manifest love. Additionally, jasmine is used to also calm the spirit as well. This often makes me feel more tranquil, and I often feel more at ease after taking my spiritual bath. The next thing I do is I get a white candle and I light that. I light this white candle to manifest purity, positivity, and peace. And I begin to read out loud all my affirmations and manifestations. The next thing I do is I pick out all the crystals that I want to place alongside the bath, or sometimes I put inside the bath. I have rose quartz for love, green abertine for power, strength, and healing. And then lastly, you have the carnelian, and that's for positivity and creativity. Next, I begin to either burn Palo Santos or sage. For this bath, I am doing just sage, and I use the sage to get rid of any negative energy that is coming towards my way or will present itself in the future. Lastly, I take some rose petals, and that's to manifest love, self-love, and passion once again. And I let that fall, and I begin to get in and soak into my spiritual bath. While taking my spiritual bath, I think of all my affirmations and manifestations. I think positively, and then I begin to let the universe do its thing. As I said before, these spiritual baths have been so amazing for me. It has really changed everything around, and I've begun to think more positively, and I've had nothing but good things come to me since I've begun doing them. It's as though my intentions have been manifested 10 times over. So yes, guys, I advise everyone to do a spiritual bath. They're simple, they're easy. Honestly, like I said, there is no exact standard on which way you go about doing it. This is all about you. So if you want to use different types of flowers, different types of incense, bath salts, whatever, it's whatever you feel is right for you. But yes, guys, I am so happy I finally got to share with you all how I do my spiritual baths. I hope that this will be helpful to you and that you can begin doing them and they work wonders in your life as well. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll be sure to answer those for you. I'll also list all the products that were used in this video down below. But yes, guys, stay tuned for more videos coming to you from me like this, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye, my loves.